I use my pin router now, but I used to use this little safety planer. If you've ever seen one of these, it's such a cool little tool. You put it on your drill press, and then you can use your drill press settings, and then this thing spins around and it becomes like a little planer, and you can sort of bring this around and get a nice even thickness around this perimeter. So I take the perimeter, in my case, down to usually about 6 millimeters, sometimes 5 millimeters. On the back I do 5, on the top a lot of times I do 6 millimeters. And that gives me about 1 millimeter of safe space that I could, that's probably going to get removed by the time I'm done, but it's just a little extra. I never take stuff down to the final dimension. I do that in phases during the wood preparation and final tuning, or finish preparation and final tuning phases. That's where I go down to final. So I'm always building in ways for myself to make mistakes, which I think is important.